There's a little known trick on the Dior website that can get you free pouches and luxury mini fragrances with almost every order. And most people miss it. In today's video, I'll share my screen and walk you through it step by step on how to get free Dior pouches and miniatures directly from the website. Plus, I'm sharing updated Dior promo codes for 2026 that actually work. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Hey beautiful people, I'm Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to Rachel's Beauty Finds, where I share beauty deals, tips, and luxury finds that truly spark joy. Now, let me show you how to get these freebies. The very first step is to become a Dior Beauty member. Go to the Dior Beauty website and sign up using your email address. This is completely free and there is no membership fee at all. Here, you need to provide your email ID and then click on login, choose your password, and then you have to provide all your details like first name, last name, mobile number, and so on. And click next to sign up. As soon as you sign up, you will receive a confirmation email and you'll automatically become a Pearl member. Depending on your future purchases, you may later be upgraded to silver, gold, or platinum. Note, the Dior Beauty website link, which I provided previously, works only for US residents. If you are located in another country, please go to dior.com and select your region. For demo purposes, I am selecting Canada. Next, navigate to the second tab labeled Fragrance and Beauty. From there, you can either sign up if you're a new customer or log in if you already have an existing account. Here's how to get the freebies. First, log into your Dior account you just created. From your account, you can browse and add any products you like to your cart. For demo purposes, I'm adding a few lipsticks. Once you added your items, go to your cart to review them and proceed with your purchase. When you click on your cart or view your cart, you will see the order summary, and within that summary is a section labeled Enter Promo Code. Simply type in your promo code and click Submit. Once you do that, you can see that a free Dior pouch appears on the left hand side, which means you will receive it with your order. Also on the left hand side, you will see a section called Samples and Miniatures. Under this, there is a checkbox that says select your samples or miniatures. Make sure to check this box. Then you can choose the ones you like by clicking the plus sign. And finally click Confirm Selections. These will also be shipped along with your purchase. Now, if you look at the order summary on the right hand side, you should see both the free pouch and your selected miniatures listed there. In some cases, the free pouch may appear on the left hand side while the miniatures show up in the order summary. That's normal. This is very important. So please double check. Make sure the free pouch and the miniatures are clearly visible either on the left hand side, right hand side, or in your order summary. If they are not showing, go back and apply a different promo code or reselect your samples. You will only receive these freebies if they appear here. So always confirm this before checking out. One important tip: when a promo code says $150 plus purchase, your order total must be at least $150 before tax. For example, even if your final total says $151.84 after tax, but your product subtotal is only $146, the code will not work. Dior only counts the product subtotal, not the tax. Let's be real, Dior is very clever with this. Many products are priced at $34 or $48, which makes it tricky to hit the exact threshold. Often you'll find yourself just $1 or $2 short of $150 or $200, meaning you'll need to add another extra item to qualify for the freebie. One more strategy I personally use is if your order is $250 or $300 and you don't really love the gift for that year, Split your purchase into two separate $150 instead. This way, you can get multiple pouches and multiple miniatures instead of just one high-tier gift. Don't place everything in one single order unless you absolutely love that specific freebie. If you still have any questions after watching this, please leave them in the comments. I always read them and I'll be happy to help. If this video is helping you so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Dior tips, beauty deals and luxury shopping tricks. It really supports my channel. Now let's get into the updated Dior promo codes. I have personally tested these codes and they are working. Some may look familiar from my previous video because they're still active, but I've also added new ones. For orders of $90 or above, you can use the code PEARLBD25B1, which will give you a Dior keychain. For orders of $100 or more, you can use the code PRESTIGE25, which will give you a Dior Prestige eye cream. For orders of $125 or more, there are multiple options. The first one is Capture 26, which will give you a capture serum. The next one is J'adore 26, which will give you a J'adore perfume. The next one is Sauvage 26, which will give you a Sauvage perfume mini. And the next one is D-Home, which will give you a Dior Home perfume. And the last one is M-Dior 26, which will give you a Miss Dior perfume. For orders of $130 or more, there are multiple options. The first one is Lunar 26, which will give you a red makeup pouch. And then V-Day 26 for Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. And Magic Q1 for a pink beauty pouch. I used this one for my current order, and I'll show you once my order arrives. And the next one is Dior card to get a black makeup pouch. And the next one is my card to get a white makeup pouch. Beauty Lover for J'adore perfume ritual set. Miss You 25 will again give you Dior keychain. Rediscover 25 will give you a limited edition keyring. Welcome You 26 gives you a J'adore perfume ritual set. For $150 or more, you can use the code Dior Prestige, which will give you a Dior Prestige cream and an eye cream as well. And also, a Lunar 48 will give you Dior gifting envelope. For orders of $200 or more, there are multiple options again. Lunar Ritual 26 will give you a half moon makeup bag plus a cream. Dior Refill gives you a Dior drawstring pouch plus 2 capture minis. LCP Gift gives you a La Collection Privé Out Mini perfume. Privé Love will give you a Dior drawstring hair pouch. Lunar NY will give you a red Lucky Star makeup bag until supplies last. That's everything you need to know about getting free Dior pouches and miniatures, plus all the working promo codes for 2026. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. It truly means a lot to me. Thank you all for watching. Peace and blessings, my friends.